Good morning. Welcome to Andrew Hotel. How may I assist you, sir?
Good morning. We would like to book a room for 2 nights.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation already?
No, we are booking this.
No problem. Let me check our availability. What type of room do you know looking for?
Do you have any suggestion of what type of rooms do you have available?
May I suggest, sir, the available room that we have is twin room, single room, and double room.
Single room and double bed with a view.
Of course, let me show you the room. Follow me, sir. This way. This way, sir. Follow me. This is your room, sir. Please come in, sir. This is a single room with double bed with one bathroom and one comfort room. Would you like a room, sir?
Yes, of course.
If you have a question, just call us in the reception.
Okay, thank you.